So if you look at the bottom of page 6, you should have already completed A, B, and C. I'm just going to go through this to make sure you did it correctly. So for the first one, I'm given 2 points. I label my 2 points. Given 2 points, I find the slope. 4 minus -2 over -5 minus 1 becomes 6 over -6, which is -1. So now I have a slope of -1. So I have 2 points in a slope. I only want 1 point in a slope, so I cross one out. Then I say y minus -2 is y plus 2 equals -1 times x minus 1. That's my point slope form, but they want slope intercept form. So I have to get rid of my parentheses by distributing. Remember, -1 times -1 is 1. And then I have to get rid of this 2. So I subtract it from both sides. And I get y equals -x minus 1. Okay, so that is A. Now, let's look at B. So B, now they give you f of -2 equals 10 and f of 4 equals -2. Okay, I have to know how to interpret this. This means when x is -2, y is 10. So I'm going to just rewrite it as -2, 10, and 4, -2. So now they've given me 2 points. If I'm given 2 points, I find the slope. -2 minus 10 over 4 minus -2 is -12 over 6, which is -2. So now m equals -2. I have 2 points in a slope. I cross out 1 point, and now I say y minus 10 equals -2 times x plus 2. And then I distribute. And then I add 10 to both sides. So y equals -2x plus 6. Okay, and then the last one, C, I have 10, -5, -5, comma 1. So I label my points x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. I say 1 minus -5 over -5 minus 10. That's 6 over -15. They both can be divided by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. And I get 2 over -5. So my slope is -2/5. I cross out this point, and I'm going to say y plus 5 equals -2/5 times x minus 10. I distribute. This becomes -2 times -10 is +20. +20 over 5 is +4. Okay, so those of you who didn't, if that was too fast, -2 over 5 times -10 over 1. -2 times -10 is +20 over 5, and that simplifies to 4. Now I subtract 5, and I get y equals -2/5 x minus 1. Okay, so that is the end of page 6, and now you will start the assignment.